National Electrical Code Section 404.9 requires electrical outlets to be placed above electric baseboard heaters within the room they serve. Section 404.11 specifies that receptacle outlets installed above heaters shall be of the clock IR type, which typically refers to duplex receptacles. Furthermore, National Electrical Code Section 424.36 recommends installing receptacles at least 12 inches above the top of baseboard heaters. This recommendation aims to prevent overheating of cords and plugs, as well as potential damage to the receptacle itself due to the rising heat from the baseboard heater. National Electrical Code Section 424.30 requires receptacle outlets to be located in accessible areas, free from obstructions. This ensures that the receptacles are readily available for use and that there is adequate space for plugging in devices without difficulty. National Electrical Code Section 210.11 C4 mandates that receptacles be provided in all habitable rooms, including hallways and bathrooms, and within 3 feet of the floor. This requirement ensures that there are sufficient outlets available to meet the electrical needs of occupants throughout the building. Local building codes may have specific requirements for duplex receptacles above baseboard heaters. It is essential to consult local authorities for any additional regulations that may be in place in a particular jurisdiction. The purpose of these code articles is to ensure electrical safety and proper installation practices when placing receptacles above baseboard heaters. The placement of receptacles above baseboard heaters needs careful consideration due to the potential for heat exposure. The heat generated by the baseboard heater can rise and affect the receptacle and any cords or plugs connected to it. This can lead to overheating, insulation damage, and potentially create a fire hazard. Therefore, maintaining a safe distance between the receptacle and the heater is crucial. The requirement for clock IR type or duplex receptacles above baseboard heaters is important for several reasons. Firstly, duplex receptacles provide 2 outlets in one location, which can be convenient for users. Secondly, the clock IR type refers to the configuration of the receptacle where the 2 outlets are oriented in a vertical arrangement. This configuration helps to minimize the risk of cords and plugs coming into contact with the baseboard heater. While the National Electrical Code recommends a minimum distance of 12 inches above the baseboard heater, local codes may specify different requirements. It is important to check with the local authorities to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations. Accessible areas, as mentioned in the National Electrical Code, refer to locations that are easily reachable and free from obstructions. This means that the receptacle should not be blocked by furniture, appliances, or other items that could prevent access to it. Additionally, the receptacle should be positioned in a way that allows cords and plugs to be easily inserted and removed. The requirement for receptacles in all habitable rooms, including hallways and bathrooms, is intended to provide adequate electrical access throughout the building. This ensures that occupants have convenient access to power outlets for various devices and appliances. The 3-foot spacing requirement is designed to ensure that receptacles are readily available within a reasonable distance from any point along the wall. In addition to these specific code articles, there are other general electrical safety practices that should be followed when installing receptacles above baseboard heaters. Firstly, it is important to ensure that the wiring is properly sized and installed according to the National Electrical Code. This includes using the correct gauge of wire and making sure that all connections are secure. Secondly, it is important to use only approved electrical components and devices. This includes receptacles, wiring, and circuit breakers. Using non-approved components can increase the risk of electrical hazards. Thirdly, it is important to properly ground the receptacle. Grounding provides a path for electrical current to flow safely back to the source in the event of a fault. This helps to prevent electrical shock and reduce the risk of fire. Finally, it is important to test the receptacle after it has been installed to ensure that it is working properly. This can be done using a receptacle tester, which will indicate whether the receptacle is properly wired and grounded. In summary, the National Electrical Code provides specific guidelines for installing duplex receptacles above baseboard heaters. These guidelines are intended to ensure electrical safety and proper installation practices. By following these guidelines and consulting local authorities for any additional regulations, electricians and homeowners can help to prevent electrical hazards and ensure that receptacles are installed safely and effectively. It is important to note that the National Electrical Code is a comprehensive set of standards that covers a wide range of electrical installations. It is not possible to cover all aspects of the National Electrical Code in this discussion. However, the information provided here should give a good overview of the key requirements for receptacles above baseboard heaters. It is always recommended to consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code for complete and up-to-date information. The National Electrical Code is updated every 3 years, so it is important to stay informed of any changes or revisions. Furthermore, it is advisable to consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work, especially when dealing with complex or potentially hazardous installations. A qualified electrician will have the knowledge and experience to ensure that the work is done safely and in accordance with all applicable codes and regulations. In addition to the National Electrical Code, there may be other codes or standards that apply to electrical installations in a particular jurisdiction. These may include state or local building codes, as well as industry standards. It is important to be aware of all applicable codes and standards and to comply with them when performing electrical work. Failure to comply with these codes and standards can result in fines, penalties, and potentially dangerous conditions. The installation of receptacles above baseboard heaters is a common practice in many homes and buildings. However, it is important to do it correctly to ensure electrical safety and prevent hazards. By following the guidelines provided in the National Electrical Code and consulting with qualified professionals, electricians and homeowners can ensure that these installations are done safely and effectively. The considerations mentioned are to mitigate risk of fire and shock. Electrical codes and standards are in place to protect people and property from electrical hazards. The National Electrical Code Section 404.9 is in place to prevent placing devices near heat sources, preventing damage to the cords and plugs. National Electrical Code Section 404.11 helps ensure using the right type of outlet, such as the duplex, above a heater. Using the wrong type can pose a safety hazard. National Electrical Code Section 424.36 focuses on the distance of 12 inches above the baseboard heater. This recommendation helps prevent heat damage. National Electrical Code Section 424.30 ensures there are no obstructions and easy access to the receptacle. This is to ensure that people can easily access it in case of emergencies. National Electrical Code Section 210.11c4 ensures that receptacles are provided in all habitable rooms so that there is readily available access to electrical outlets for various needs. Always consult local building codes for any additional local regulations.